Hello students, myself Raju Linkalapalli. As I am a academician in VNIT, I have 2 years experience in VNIT and overall teaching experience in 6 years. My education background is M.Tech. I had finished M.Tech and I am currently working in VNIT. So today we will discuss in class 12 at class 12 12th class students. The chapter name is Electric Charges and Fields. Electric Charges and Fields. So this is the one of the important chapter and highest weightage in JEE mains and all state exams also. So this is the highest important weightage in JEE. So JEE mains and advanced also. Now in this chapter, basically, all the students are must be focused in Coulomb's law, Coulomb's law, Coulomb's law, and Coulomb's law and electric fields. Must you should focus on Coulomb's law and electric field only. So these two concepts are very important in this chapter. These two concepts. One is Coulomb's law, second one is electric fields. So in this chapter, one we will go to in Coulomb's law. So, but we have to study it in some scratch onwards. So now we have to study it in firstly in charges. Charge means charge is generally represented as in Q, capital Q or small q. Charge generally represents as in capital Q or small q. So and units are in coulombs. Units are in coulombs. So these are the units. So these are the SI units of charge. So charge means it is an intrinsic property. So it is an intrinsic property of matter. Intrinsic property of matter. Intrinsic intrinsic property of matter. Intrinsic property of matter. Property of matter. So due to this property, charges are experienced a force. Charges are experienced a force in electric field. Charges are experienced in a electric field. Force is experienced. So basically, charges are in two types. So do you know that charges? Basically, two types of charges are there. Like what are there? Charges are basically two types. First one is First one is charges are in like positive charges and negative charges. Positive charges and negative charges. Negative charges. Positive charges and negative charges. So how it is formed? Positive charges and negative charges means if you can take any neutral body, if you can take any neutral body, that neutral body means it consisting of equal number of electrons and equal number of protons. Equal number of electrons and equal number of protons. Equal number of electrons and equal number of protons. So that body, sometimes that body, if lose the electrons, that body if lose the electrons, means neutral body lose the electrons, lose the electrons means that body gains positive charge. That body gains positive charge. If neutral body, if neutral body gains the electrons, if neutral body gains the electrons, that body acting as a negative charge. That body is acting as a negative charge. So this is the way of obtaining the positive and the negative charge. So and one more thing is here charges. Charges are basically like charges and unlike charges. Like charges means positive and positive charge and negative charges. Always, always like charges are in between. Like charges are in between repel to each other, and And like charges. Like charges are means positive. These are the like charges, sorry. Unlike charges are positive and negative. Positive charge and negative charge. And a negative and positive charge. So in between always attracts towards. Always attracting to each other. Always attracting to each other. Attracts to each other. Attracts to each other. Attracts to each other. Attracts to each other. So this is the way of nature. This is the way of the nature of charges. So like here, like charges are always attracts, and unlike charges are always repulse. Unlike charges are always attracts. Like charges are always repulse in between to each other. In between to each other. Now we'll study. Next concept is